A brand has gifted me their hair dryer, and I'm super excited because I've been looking to update my hair dryer and something that I could travel with. And as you can see with the CC with the size like this, it's nice and compact, so it's easy to travel with. So in this video, I'm gonna go over what you get in the box and also the settings because it was a little bit tricky. You have to kind of go and look online how to use the settings. But after looking it up, I hope this is helpful for you. So it comes with the hair dryer itself. Like I said, it's nice and compact, so it's lightweight. I love that I could probably travel with this and not worry about it taking up in my suitcase. So here's the hair dryer itself. Here's the box that it comes with. So it's actually nicely decor. And in there you get the instructions. So here you have the instruction. You have a QR code if you want to like a manual with it, which I actually scanned and it was easy to navigate. I thought it was easier to actually look through that. But you do have a small instruction in here that you kind of get what you get in the manual, not as detailed, but it's easy to use as well. I just needed like a bigger font because I'm old. And then you have like a warranty card that comes with it and important instructions. So this here comes in different languages, so that's why it's super thick. What came with it was also a nozzle as well. This is something I won't use to blow dry my hair. I do have curly hair, if you could see. One thing that I am disappointed, I wish they gave me their diffuser because I have curly hair. But I do have my own, so that's another thing too, is I want to see if it fits the nozzle with my traveling diffuser that I actually take on it. So we'll go ahead and put that on later on as well. But this is easy to put on. You just clip it on and then you take it off. So easy use. And then I thought this was cute. I didn't know what it was until I unpacked it. So unpacking this, you get a bag for it, and I thought that's great. My old hair dryer did not come with a bag, so I was like, oh, this is really good to actually hold my hair dryer. So that was cool. um One thing I want to test out right now is if the nozzle fits for my diffuser. That's the biggest thing, because if not, then I have to actually probably buy the attachment for this separately, and that's pretty much unfortunate. So my diffuser is in here somewhere. It's up here. Sorry. So my diffuser that I have is universal. It's supposed to work with all type of like hair dryer, especially when I travel. Um, it worked at most hotel hair dryers, but they are old. So the new ones are supposed to be fitting this nozzle. So we're gonna go ahead and put it over. And it does not fit. So this is very unfortunate. Um, which I was hoping it would actually fit. So that's one thing. Uh, you do have to get the compatible diffuser with it. So that doesn't fit. But let's go ahead and check out the features, which I think is pretty cool. All right. So here is, you have two settings. You have low and high. You go ahead and turn it on. And I like that it's actually nice and quiet. It's not a loud one. So here's the low setting. And that's the high setting. So that's pretty cool. Now you have the color coded of what, then you have the color coded of the temperature of it. So you have blue as cold, the medium one is warm, and then like the high temperature is red. So we're gonna go ahead and look at that. So this is the highest temperature, nice and warm, and then this is cold. So I love that it has like the color coded of what temperature on. Super easy to use, friendly. Like I said, I'm a little bit disappointed my diffuser does not work on this. So I won't be able to test it out this weekend, but I will give you an updated video as soon as I get the diffuser, and we'll test it out with my curls for sure. I hope this was helpful for you.